Introducing Preston Farm, a brand new active adult luxury community that embodies what it means to truly age gracefully. Here you can enjoy the life you love, plus a whole list of reasons to love it even more. A luxurious, maintenance-free condominium at the best corner in Cary. An introductory social membership to Prestonwood Country Club. Beautifully landscaped walking paths, and the list goes on. Bill Sears and Edinburgh Development envisioned a place in which people will walk along paths lined with fruit trees, accompany children to float toy boats in the lake, enjoy natural landscapes, and celebrate with friends and family. Now this vision is unfolding at Preston Farm. The vision extends far beyond the tray ceilings, granite counters, and open concept layouts. In addition to the outstanding level of interesting local shops and their proximity to Preston Farm. One of the most notable features of living at Preston Farm is their partnership with Prestonwood Country Club. Prestonwood offers over 1,800 triangle families, the very best all-inclusive amenities and services such as golf, fitness, tennis, aquatics, and one-of-a-kind dining experiences. Preston Farm is designed to promote the well-being of its residents. A variety of residential units will be completed adjacent to a formal landscape lake, walking paths, reflecting pools, and more. And if that wasn't enough, Preston Farm is not only outfitted with its own on-site security, but it was designed to withstand and systematically defend against cultural and natural disasters. With its prime location and abundant offering of social and recreational opportunities, Preston Farm will be one of the most enjoyable places in which to live. Most communities are designed for you to live in now. Preston Farm is designed for you to live in forever.